and welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're having a good day so far. My name's Gail if you're new here. Today I'm going to show you how to lift the eyes, how to create a little upward flick with an eyeliner pen. This is a really great trick if you've got slightly partially hooded eyes like me or older eyes. It works really well and it's super easy and quick to do. So if you're ready, let's begin. As you can see, the hood covers part of my eyelid, which makes it really tricky to do a winged eyeliner when the fold comes right down here. And if you try and do your wing upwards, it's going to cut the fold. So if you cut the fold, it's going to end up being a real squiggly, odd looking line. So the trick is to bring the wing just below that actual fold. Don't cut it. There is a technique where you can actually draw across it. When you look down, it's kind of like a step down wing, but I'm personally not really a fan of that because it doesn't look too neat. So I'm going to start from under my lower lash line and bring it low but out. First things first, I'm going to tightline the upper waterline, which is great for adding definition, especially if you've got short or sparse eyelashes. Brows are really important for creating lift to the eyes and the face, and to create more lift, I'm slightly raising the natural arch using a brow pencil, which is quick and easy. You can use any pen eyeliner, but just make sure that the tip is really slim and also quite sturdy. Drawing the line towards my eye rather than drawing away from my eye because you've got more control of the pen. Create a little triangle and then fill it in. Make sure you're looking straight ahead in the mirror when you're doing this so you can actually see where the fold at the end of your eyelid is. And you don't need a steady hand. You can see that I'm dotting the liner just along my actual lash line. So much easier doing that rather than actually drawing one continuous line in one go. And bring the liner a third in along the lower lash line. The placement of the eyeliner has already elongated and lifted my eye, as you can see. Next, lots and lots of mascara. This is an absolutely brilliant mascara, the new Max Stack mascara, and you can layer it without it clumping, and it still looks really natural. Again, concentrate on the outer lashes to create more lift. I hope you found this eyeliner tip kind of useful, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, please consider subscribing so you don't miss any future uploads. Subscribing is free. Thanks again everybody, and have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.